Yo, it's time to suffer. We're going on an expedition. Yeah. I need to kill things. This is a killing expedition. Oh, my first victim. Bitch. Oh. No. Almost died. Dude. Dude. Get in. The pink lizard's body is... There's a vulture. There's a freaking vulture, and I can't get into that. That's a king vulture. That is a... That... Okay. Okay, that... If I die one more time, I'm freaking dead. Okay, okay. I'm fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. And there's a drop wig. And I can't get him. Or maybe I can I? No, I cannot. Can you see? Can you guys see how much I like this game? By this first clip. What is that noise? A pink lizard. Another victim? Or is he gonna go in his shelter? Oh, he's coming after me? He's got some... I think he's got a squidcada. Oh, shit. Okay. I think I hear a vulture. I do. Yeah, I do. I do hear a vulture. Okay, dude. Come on. Beat you to death. Die. Feel my wrath. What is going on? I can't even see what's going on anymore. Get the spear. No! I have your mask. Okay, okay. I did it. Save. I have enough food. Save. Didn't do that good, that one. At least I have a vulture mask now, so the lizards will get kind of scared of me, so I can maybe stab them a little bit more. Okay, what is there to kill this time? Is Mr. Dropwig... I have to kill 10... how many Dropwigs do I have to kill? 8. I've already killed 3 off camera. It's also a really good place to kill the Dropwigs. Is that a vulture? That's a vulture. Another vulture. Is that a king vulture or just a regular vulture? I think it's just a regular vulture. And I think he's after something else. Oh, no, he's... Oh, yeah, he's got a lizard. Holy crap. Pink lizard. I missed. Okay, yeah. Of course I did. Squid. Just stop my recording. Of course I did. Not in time for that, though. Another lizard. Where's he going? Where'd he go? He went to a little vent. There he is. I'm so dead. Dude. Yeah. Yeah, I'm dead. Thank you, game. That's great. I think there might be a monster kelp over here that I can kill for a few points. I think I still quite need... Okay. Yeah. Okay, dude. Oh, no. Why am I so bad at this game all of a sudden? I used to be okay. I used to be okay at this game. Used to be a king vulture killer. Killed like 3 king vultures in the past few days. Which probably isn't that impressive. I've only killed 1 red lizard so far. Which kind of... Oh god. There's a dance party going over here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Oh no. I have a feeling I'm not gonna make it out. I have a feeling that this isn't... Oh god. Oh, is he stuck? No, he's not stuck. Okay. Coward. Oh. 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 I think his thing is over here. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, no it isn't. Blue lizard. How much food do I have? I'm gonna need to... Because if I die one more time, The expedition is over. 'Cause I'm kind of bad at this game. So if I kill this monster Calvin and get another karma, my karma up a little bit, I might be okay. Bitch. That's what you get. That's what you get. That's what you get. Aha. I have enough food to hibernate. There we go. Murder spree. It's murder spree time. I did the same kind of thing last night where except I didn't have the drop wig one or the outlaw passage. Come here. Let's just kill all these guys real quick. I love massacring creatures. It's so fun. It's my favorite thing to do in this game. Totally not a psychopath. Great. Now the squid must die too. Perfect. Oh, monster kill. You will now die. I don't know why the music isn't playing. Hang on, I think, for some reason on my Switch, sometimes the music won't play properly. Because, I mean, I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be quite a few, or quite a lot of threat music, you know? A lot of threat music, a lot of death music. But there isn't, for some reason. So, I'm gonna see if I can fix that real quick. I'll go shelter a little bit early. Pink lizard should be scared of me for, like, how many seconds was it? Like 10 seconds? No, it's not gonna do anything. It's not gonna do anything if you don't have the freaking vulture mask on. How did I drop it? There's the good old threat music. Go in the vent. Chasing this guy down. I'm probably gonna die. If I can get one, like, stuck. Not the squid. No, not the squid. Yeah, the lizard. Good. Great. Great. Okay, I want one of my special spears. I want the dead ones. Need that succulent, food. Egg bug. Why is there maracas? You know something bad is about to happen when a maracas playing. Pink lizard. He's busting it down. Why is he always... I swear, every time I come here and there's a pink lizard, he's always doing this. I'm not even joking. And then as soon as I go down here, I get, like... I miss him with my spear. And then I freaking die. Okay, yeah, that was embarrassingly bad. Dude, please. Oh, he's trying. He's trying. He's trying his best. He's not really doing very well. Okay, what if I get up? Okay, yeah, that was... I hate my life. Every time that lizard is, like, freaking dancing in that area, I always die. Okay, why am I chasing him without a spear? That's probably not a very good idea. Okay, that's a blue lizard. Drop those 2 spears when I get over there. Chase him. Drop wig. Okay, this is good. Wrong thing. You dead? Yes. That is a king vulture. Okay, yeah. I want to kill a king vulture. What am I holding? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Crupwig that I didn't see. I just failed the quest. Yep. Okay, yeah. I really, really enjoy just dying over and over and over again. I enjoy it. I really, really like this game. I really like it. It doesn't make me mad at all. Yeah, of course. That's what I thought. That's unfortunately what I thought. Chimney canopy. We meet again. You know, we don't have to finish this expedition. We don't have to, but we can cause some mayhem. Some explosions to happen. Okay, yeah. Pickles. We can kill the pickles. We can also use that to attract a king vulture. I'll probably die horribly, though. But it's worth a try. It's worth a try. We're gonna do it. Okay. Vulture. I'm gonna camp, be like a little bitch. Whoops. It's a king vulture, yeah. That's what I thought. Can that be an epic battle of me going in and out the pipe? I can't even see my body. Oh, there I am. That is 2 king vulture. Wait, no, it's just 1. Okay. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Let's just pretend it didn't happen. Not touching those pickles. Never again. Not happening again. I regret my choices. We need some explosives first. Yeah, that's gonna be a better idea. If I remember correctly, there's explosives that spawn, or like there's like a, I don't remember what they're called, but it's like that. What is that noise? Is that a cyan? Yeah, it's a cyan. These things are like freaking relentless. They're relentless. Get in the pipe, little monkey. Okay, yeah. Scavenger, help. Stab him. Oh no, he ate the sap. Okay, yeah. That scavenger's not doing much anymore. What is he? Oh. Okay, yeah. I love this game. It makes me so happy. Okay. There's piles and piles and piles of scavengers. What a surprise. Please don't stab me. These sign lizards are giving me, like, severe fear in my... this severe fear every time I see them. Okay, yeah, die. What is going... Oh, that's a plant. I thought that scavenger had grown, like... lanky arms. Okay. Yeah, I meant it about the sign lizards. Okay, so I want to be extra careful. I've died quite a lot of times. It's not very nice. Not very nice dying. You know, it's giving me flashbacks of when I went through, Chimney Canopy before, and spent 3 days or something trying to get out of it. It was not fun. Can I have one single break? Is there one person that actually likes Chimney Canopy? One person? Anyone? I really doubt it. Oh, he's just gonna camp there. Great. What is going on? Oh my god. Finally, I killed something. Never mind. Okay. He's dead now. He's covering the vent. Oh, damn it. What? That's a king vulture. That's a... This game hates me. Oh no. We're running out of time. We're running out of time. I just want to get to the shelter. Do I even have enough? No, I don't. Okay, of course I don't. And these little... That's good at least. I have like 15 points. Are you kidding me? Don't want to aggro these guys. They're kind of annoying. Oh shoot. Scavs in there. Don't have to worry about reputation though, do I? Yeah. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. Did I just die? No? Okay, good. You guys cowards or something? Bunch of losers? I want to see more carnage. Okay, Mr. Spider. You asked for it. You freaking asked for it. You too. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we're going up. We're gonna go up. Because that's what you do in Chimney Canopy. Unfortunately. You go up and you suffer more and more the more you ascend. Oh, it's raining. Oh, who would have thought? It's raining Rain World. Yeah, it's fine. How many things did we kill this cycle? I killed a few things. Just a few things. I didn't kill that many things. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It did a little bit of carnage. Not as good as most things. Okay, I started a new thing. Because, screw Chimney Canopy. Wait. Where am I? Oh. Okay, I can work with this. Not bad. I love popcorn. This popcorn's great. It's crazy how much freaking popcorn plants there are here. Like, the first time I came here, I was like, what? So... let's see. Ah! How did that not kill me? How am I alive? How? Oh, great. There's a yellow lizard. Who I will take pleasure in killing. Numero 1. Numero... Okay, spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. Okay. Okay, that is numero 2. Which means number 2 in French. If you unclassified, or... Okay, yeah. That is a little bit too much for me to handle. No. Yeah, fight over my corpse, please. Oh yeah. Okay, great. Oh no, not so great. Not. Where am I? Oh. I appeared to have fallen quite... Okay. Okay, I've decided no wall. No wall. Those lizards are just, you know, disgusting. So, where... Oh my god. This is even worse. Is this what I think it is? Yep. Oh, wait! Wait! This is a great... Never mind. I take back everything. I take back absolutely everything. Everything. I love Sky Islands. You know, I have no idea where I am. In Sky Islands. I think I spawned here once. For an expedition, and I did pretty good in it, you know? Pretty good in it. Because there's a lot of things you can kill. Including this... scav. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna kill everything. You know, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be great. Why is there still threat music playing? That would be why. Okay. Ooh. Centawing thing. Say, ooh, Centawing, and then I don't kill it because there's like 5 other things in that area. Okay. I think there's yellow lizards down here, which is always nice. Somewhere. I like killing yellow lizards. It's great. I like the noise they make. But I do not like how they tell each other where you are. If I can get up this... Okay, this really proves how bad I am at this game. I can't get it. Blue lizard and a oh, what is going on with that Centawing? Being carried by something? Oh, they're fighting over it. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. This is it. Yep, this is it. This is it. Yeah. Oh god. I accidentally took drugs. The shrooms. No. I was trying to kill the egg bug. I have a small feeling that I'm gonna see something very scary. Okay. Oh! It's not that bad. Never mind. Okay. Never mind. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. No. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Okay, that works. Slightly. Oh, he's not happy that okay. He's not very happy that I killed his friend. Okay. Oh. Okay. Why do I have 2 rocks instead of 2 spears? Okay. Pro gamer. Until you do that. Perfect. Murder. Okay, there's a white lizard. Okay, yeah. Oh no. Come here. Maybe I can bamboozle you like I did to the other lizards. Come on. Come on. Bamboozle. Man, this guy sucks. Vulture. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Vulture. This is very dramatic. This pipe is my only... No. This pipe is my only place of safety. Okay, the vulture's dead. But this white lizard is giving me a bit of a problem, because he won't Not being a very nice person. Lizard. Being. What is that? What is he doing? He's just spinning. Stupid Centowing. Okay, what if I... Sorry, buddy. Oh, he's still doing it. What the heck? That's so funny. Now this is the massacre that I wanted. Oh, he's running away, though. Oh, no. What, dude? Screw you. Screw you, dude. What? Get off the spear. Get off. How? How? Dude. Where'd he go? He's probably invisible. Oh, okay. I want to save that progress. I want to save the progress. It's not gonna work. The rain's coming. The rain's coming. I don't think there's a shelter nearby. No. No. No, I would have gotten the thing. But the rain's coming. I don't think I can't get back. There's no shelter. I don't know where the shelter is. I know where it is, but I can't climb up this thing before the rain comes. Before the rain is here. No. Oh, this sucks. You know what? Yeah, I still murdered a lot of... Oh, no. Oh, no. That lizard... Oh, there's a pole plant. There's a... Okay, yeah. I love this game. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And, maybe I'll make some more videos like this. That I suck at Rain World, because I do. Well, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you want. And bye-bye.